Mind the usual junk, but we are here in Jammu. We came in around 1:30. I think 1 hour was lost at that entry pass place. That's why you get the form, get it stamped to entry into Jammu Kashmir. There's the border checkpoint, but I think that's only for trucks. Cars, I think, are going through that route. Now that this work is done, we're good to go. And it was raining just before we reached the hotel. On a whole, it was an okay ride. One thing is we started very late from Delhi, so it was hot, humid. And then when we reached Ludhiana or Jalandhar, it was so humid, man. Like 39 felt like 45 something. Most of us were exhausted. So we took a lot of breaks and hydrated ourselves so that we can reach safely to the destination, which is the most important thing. Shiva had almost heat stroke, yeah. Chaitanya did some towel magic and he was back in shape in a second.
Oh yeah, that looked like a magic.
We experienced the most drastic weather yesterday for Gore-Tex. Like hot, humid, rain. Sab ek hi ride mein. It would have been perfect if we had reached Jammu by around 6 or 7, but that didn't happen. And by the time we slept, it was 2-3. I was editing the earlier video, and now it's almost 8:30 in the morning. We have to leave in the next half an hour to reach Sonamarg in time so that before nightfall we can be there. There will be some stops in between because the location is going to be scenic, and also there will be a lot of checkposts. So bypassing all that and reaching the destination would be somewhere around 10 to 11 hours. So this would be one step before Leh, the big one. But from now on, the route's going to be scenic. So would have more interesting footage coming up. So stay tuned. Shiva, how do you like the bag?
It works.
Neither, na?
Yeah, Chaitanya.
Okay. Waterproof hai kada?
Yes.
What is this? Dry
spec.
From?
From Dry Spec.
Oh. Your luggage setup for the ride is good? You happy?
Oh yes. Much better than the side panniers.
You don't like side panniers? Why?
No, it's too bulky.
Wait.
Not weight, but it's easier to filter the traffic without the panniers.
Okay. Were you able to tie these down easily?
Oh, it's a 2-second job.
Okay. So that says one bag and then top case. Top case is all good, right?
Top case is all perfect.
You have a bag for the top case?
Yeah, I have, but I didn't get it.
Suju gave me this bag and it is helping me greatly. I am leaving the top case to the bike most of the time. I think we'll utilize Gore-Tex today.
Please.
You want to?
Yeah, I really want. I want something else to experience.
You want rain, snow,
yeah,
baraf?
I want everything else.
Kardungla mein I heard that it's snowing sometimes.
Yeah, it's snowing big time in Kardungla since a week.
We are getting sun. We're getting rain along with us. Hopefully get some snow also with us. That would be perfect here. Like last time when we went, there was already snow on the ground, so we missed that part. Hopefully this time we get some snow. Chalo, I think our room is almost packed. We're ready to leave. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the BMs are ready. It's the distance we did yesterday. 9 hours 33 minutes. Break off, obviously overnight break. 621 kilometers. Current ETA to Sonamarg 8 o'clock. Hope to reach much before that. 10.5 hours, 360 kilometers. So that's mostly because of ghats and all. And clean the visor for you guys so that we might get some nice lovely shots for you. Chalo, let's go to Sonamarg. This is the first time I'm in Jammu. Looks like a pretty town. Obviously a lot of military activity, but that's common. Temperature 30 degrees. Feels little stuffy and hot because it's humid, especially with these Gore-Tex jackets which are holding out pretty well. Slowly we're getting the feels of ghats and hills, and this looks like a tightly packed hill station. Can't wait to get to 25 degrees, man. Want some cool air in these jackets. They're holding out pretty well, but it's just that whenever you are on the go it's fine, but when you stop, all the humid and hot weather is not the most fun. This is the town of Jammu, boys. Amazing. I don't think we came through this route last time. We haven't touched Udhampur yet. This is from Jammu to Udhampur. Amazing beauty here. Like, this is first time for us. Love this. half this year. One thing I'm impressed quite a lot in this trip already is how much the roads and infrastructure has changed. Like last time when we came in 2018, all this was the red soil. Throughout Jammu and Kashmir, the infrastructure has improved quite a lot here. First off-roading of the day. Soon this will also be a 4-lane road at this rate. But this is the soul of the ride. These off-road excursions are the fun part of Leh Ladakh rides. And they're done already. Damn. They're building these pavements, I guess, with the drainage pipes inserted in them. So whenever the water comes from the top, it's not on the road and it goes under the road. This is good for infrastructure, probably not so fun for us bikers because we would miss those water crossings and all. But on a whole, good thing, yeah. A lot of infrastructure work happening here. Always be careful with these areas because there can be landslides, flash landslides and all. So try to stay slightly away from the walls. Chenani Nashri Tunnel Way. Okay, speed limits, no stoppings. This is one of those modern tunnels. So this is almost a 9 kilometer or 10 kilometer tunnel. There are some announcements also. Last time there were not these announcements. Oh, అక్కడ ఎడ్జ్కి వచ్చిందిరా టైర్ సన్నగా ఫ్రంట్. I had to control somehow. Look at the bike and here experience
Phenomenal.
I don't know if you can see the water gushing in the background. Hi Chaitanya.
Hey, what's up?
అయిపోయిందా
అరే 850 బ్రదర్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఇంటరప్ట్ చేస్తారేంట్రా బ్లాగ్ తీస్తున్నప్పుడు నాకు అర్థం కాదు.
More. I have more.
యూ హ్యావ్ మోరా ఇంకా చూపిస్తావా?
వెదర్ బాగుందా?
వెదర్ వేడిగానే ఉంది ఇంకా.
But now I feel it's getting cooler and cooler. We are like another.
I think I'm
overwhelmed with the location.
overwhelmingly happy.
Overwhelmingly happy. Yeah. The GoPro gets stuck at the right moments. There is this stretch where you get the initial Jammu Valley and then we're close to Bunny Hill. That's when the Kashmir territory begins. We have seen this all in the previous videos, but still for him and Chaitanya it is the first time on the 1250.
For the first time I'm coming into Jammu and
Kashmir and on a 1250. And he was not stopping. He was way ahead of us. Like we had to call him back. Take a look at bikers on the way to Ladakh. Just take a look at this lovely location. Yeah, amazing. We found this nice shade to stop over. Perfect place. This is the town of Bunny Hill, and I don't know if you can see on the map. It's a lot of jam. Even though it's 31, feels like 36 or 37. Bunny Hill was like this even before, but not to this much. Look at the amount of dust on the phone and the visor. This is slightly cleaned, but the whole bike gear full of dirt. Dulipite oka kilo matto vastadi bayatiki. అరే స్ట్రైట్స్ దొరికింది కొడుతున్నా లైట్ రా వచ్చేయండి. అరే ఇక్కడ కొన్ని షాపులు ఉంటాయి ఫుడ్ ఆగాలంటే, బట్ బేసిక్ డాబాస్. We stopped our bikes here with that amazing view, but look at all the trash here. Wish we were much more responsible for the nature here. Sad. All the bird sounds you're hearing are from the truck, and they're throwing away dead birds in the middle of the road. Chalo, another 186 kilometers and 4.5 hours to Sonamarg. Not too far, but I just want to reach there by 6 so that we can catch those nice lovely Sonamarg mountains. Final destination lorry with the final destination view. Chaitanya, left. Yeah, go. After some gal sections, we finally get a 4-lane road, partial 4 lanes. I think this section was not ever completed fully, but the Ghat section is done here. Now it's going to be 4 lane till almost Srinagar, and then Sonamarg is only half an hour from there. I think we are like another 50 kilometers from Srinagar. When I first entered this area, it was like all those things that you see on TV, the news, those were the first things that come to your head. But when you see this scenery and how beautiful this is, it's just amazing. Yeah, it's such a natural beauty that we don't get anywhere else in India. Take a look at that. This is next level beauty here. Beauty with complications. Free gunta enta baaguntadra ee place. Like fully all things resolved. Cement roads ho raha hai. Nice. Oh yeah. Appudu building etla undera. Ippudu ay maaripoyindi. He want that board photo. Pulwama word. Adi.
ये कितने में ले ली बाइक?
ये कितने में? 5 में।
5 लाख। कितना सीसी है इसका इंजन?
850 का।
माइलेज क्या देता है ये?
20-25 तक देते हैं।
लद्दाख में कितने दिन रहना है?
3-4 दिन बस घूमने के लिए।
हैदराबाद से यहाँ तक कितना तेल का खर्चा आया? ऑलमोस्ट
20-30 हज़ार। ఇక్కడ ఈగలు దూరినట్టు దూరారు నా చుట్టూ. వెళ్ళిపోదాం, వేరే ప్లేస్ చూస్తా. చూడొచ్చి
हैदराबाद ये जाना है लद्दाख टैंकपुर।
हाँ, उधर बड़ा गाड़ी है, इससे बड़ा गाड़ी है उधर।
वो कितने की है?
6 का।
BMW की है, BMW।
हाँ, BMW का 2000 सॉरी 20,000 2000 नहीं। First update, not the service, but look at this, 20,014 kilometers. I recorded the 20,000 kilometer on the GoPro, but after that it suddenly died. And we stopped at a location that Srujan and Aitya might recognize quite a lot. You remember this spot? This is where we got the photo. Exact place we stopped again. We got some snow-capped mountains there at the deep. Huge valleys left and right. If you want to see a panoramic shot, that is amazing here. That memory is still fresh in my head. There was, I think the sun was just setting there, so probably we came in half an hour, 45 minutes late. But just looks majestic and beautiful. Snow-capped mountains experience ఎలా ఉంది?
ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు కదరా.
అది కాదు, అక్కడెక్కడో చూడు కనిపిస్తుంది దూరంగా.
అదే అలానే చూస్తాం మనం ఇంకా.
అదే అలా చెప్పుకుంటే అదే లే
బ్యాక్ వెళ్దాం మనం.
Snow-capped mountains are here, boys. Snow-capped mountains. It's getting slightly cold, 21 degrees, but we are fine. We have waterproof gear. Not much snow though, most of it got melted. So we're probably late by a week or so, or 10 days maybe. That would have been much more snow. We will have probably some snow at Kardungla. That's the best hope. Nice. This is the first time I'm riding in kind of a night time in this area. Inta night eppudu pole manam. Kichad right eltuna. When in doubt, go straight. Amazing place. So that's Sonamarg, guys. I don't think you can see anything, but probably you can see the mountains and the sky in the background. We stayed in some camps down by the river. This time we're staying in this lovely hotel called Village Walk. It's in the middle of the mountains on a hill. The bikes are there, and this is the insides of the hotel. Fancy wooden hotel. One room is there, the other room there. Nice fancy wooden cottage. Can we call that a wooden cottage?
I don't think it's wood.
Not wood. Feels
Yeah.
like.
Shiva was saying it could be fake wood. I think he's right. And anyways, it's just cladding. అనుకుంటా.
Probably. అయితే would be better person to say.
సెంటీమీటర్స్ అంటే ఎంతనో తెలియదు ఇంత అని చెప్పి